Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 1200 watt portable generator with CO Shield. Perfect for using recreationally, taking on small trips, camping, or with your RV. And next time there's a power outage, this unit can provide enough power for a few essential household items like lights, microwave, fan, TV, internet, or cell phone charger. Champion's cold start technology ensures an easy start, even in cold weather. And the compact size makes it easy to store almost anywhere, so it can be ready to go whenever you need it. And for added protection, this generator utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your generator's operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the generator. Add oil to the engine. Move the generator outside. Add gasoline. Start the generator. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 1200 watt generator with CO Shield. Convenient, portable, and dependable.